Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 9th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So the US dollar Swiss, in my opinion, is still going up. I definitely don't see any reason yet to say that this is the end of an ABC correction. Now, if it goes up to the 38%, makes that double top, goes down, breaks structure, then I would definitely say it's the end of a correction. If it doesn't do that, which it doesn't have to do that, and instead pushes up and pushes up to the next Fibonacci level, I would just continue to look for longs until I do see that double top break of structure at a Fibonacci level. So keeping that in mind, going down to the 1 hour time frame, I am definitely looking for logs in an uptrend. Whether or not it's going to continue up from here and just keep on going, or whether it's going to make a more proper pullback, I don't know. Honestly, it kind of looks like an expanding ABC to me. It kind of looks like it made a higher high wave B and a lower low wave C. It looks like an expanding ABC. Possibly could just keep on trending up from here. Possibly also could turn into more of a complex correction and go down again before it goes up. Either way, I personally don't really care. I just know that I'm looking for logs at the end of three-way pullbacks, potentially for the continuation of what I think is a wave C on the much, much higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.